friends, I hope you all are doing great. We are going to organize my glass cabinet today, and I want to thank my friends at T Forte for sponsoring this video, so let's get started. So friends, I had been struggling at my office, at my business, because I had this glass cabinet, which I do love, but it just didn't seem to function for me. It felt like the scale was all off and I needed to do something. So what I did was I got a second cabinet and made it one unit, and boy, does it function out, and it feels so much better. It feels like it now fits the space. So I am ready to get this baby organized. And so I want to first kind of roll up my sleeves and get in there and really make this a beautiful space that can function and store all of those various items that I need to get to in my office. So of course, you guys know the first thing is to clear things out. And so now that we're clearing out this cabinet, before we get into organizing, I want to have a little bit of a tea time, because my friends, T Forte, they do it every time. They know how to create an experience. And boy, this new collection, this Jardin collection, is beautiful. I love it. It's so pretty. And this is something that, for me, I immediately think perfect gift for one of my friend girls. You know, her birthday, anniversary. The packaging is just gorgeous, and I was so super excited when I first opened it, because you all know how much I love the cafe cup from T Forte. Well, they now have it in the pink in this collection, and it's just so beautiful, so girly. I love it. And so the tea selection is absolutely amazing. And that's the fun thing about T Forte, is their tea combinations are so unique. It makes having your cup just such a great experience. So I hope you will definitely check it out and use my discount code Nikki25. You can use that. I'll put it in the description box below, and I'll also put a link to T Forte below. So now that I am steeping and have my tea, it's time for us to get back to that cabinet. And so now that I have a clean slate and it's ready for me to just kind of think out what I want to do, how I want to organize it, I'm going to store all of the things that I need to store away in my office. I like to keep basically a minimal desk area, so this is where I'm going to house all of those things. And so I found these cute crocheted baskets at IKEA, very inexpensive, came in a set. They're in that charcoal gray. Absolutely beautiful. And this is going to help me conceal a lot of the things I don't want to see, the things that produce clutter when you look at it. And so what I did was I put all the baskets and arranged them so that I felt like I had a good balance between the two cabinets. And then I took my book, beautifully organized, because I have a good stash of those, and I then kind of evenly distribute them throughout the entire cabinet, because I want the cabinet to look very balanced. And of course, putting my white Cafe T Forte cup up there, because it makes me happy just looking at the cup. And then beside it, I will actually put my T Forte teas in there, and they're tucked away so that, you know, I can easily grab one when I need it, but you know, it's very concealed. And then I am putting my books. I like to stack my books horizontally. I think it just gives a nice look when it's in a glass bookcase. And also, you know, kind of accessorizing with little picture frames and the little odds and ends I had. And of course, this is my Hall of Fame. All of my friends and their books, I like to keep them so that I can look over and see that during the day. Along with, I love putting plant life in the cabinet. I think that adding a little green can be great. I have my room air fresheners and linen sprays. They have a place in this basket here. So I'm kind of categorizing the things. I have all of my candles tucked in here. So again, I don't have to see them, but I know how to get to them. And then in that Jardin collection, they have that strawberry hibiscus in the loose tea also. And then look at this, it's absolutely beautiful. And so I can have my loose teas at the office too. And I fell in love with this cup. It's so cute. So definitely, I'll link that below also, so that if you want to check it out, you can definitely check it out. And so this is going to be stored in my cabinet right up under my tea bags. I keep all of my little planner tidbits in these decorative bowls here. And it's great because I can just, you know, easily grab and go. I have my personal kind of planner here, and I just have that tucked on the shelf there on top of the books. And I kind of turn it from behind so it's not you know, distracting. And then also, I thought it'd be pretty to incorporate lights, but I didn't want to have to wire anything. So I just got these simple lights that just kind of stick in place. And that's it, friends. And I just kind of have a place for all of the planner things that I need to grab. You know, I love to have a lot of stationery items, and so I have things that I get from my friends, subscriber friends that are special to me, tucked away. Again, all of my stationery, I have that easily at my fingertips if I need it. I also have a bag for my nail things. You know, I like to do my nails at work. And then for all of my notebooks and journals, I have a place. So, you know, everything now seems like it has order, and it seems like it has a place, and it doesn't feel awkward. Whereas when I had the one cabinet, friends, it felt awkward because the scale was off. And a lot of times when that scale is off in your space, you may have that table that's too small or a table that's too big. It could really throw the space off and how it feels. And now it just feels right. And I really, really, really love those crocheted baskets. I think they really warm up the cabinet and they make it feel like a family, like one unit. So again, by just first putting those in and establishing the tone really helped me be able to easily incorporate the other items so that the end result really looked put together. So it's great storage. I have a lot of room for all of my things. And then the great thing about it is I don't have to see all of the little tedious things that I'm always trying to grab. So friends, I'm so happy with how it turned out. I hope you like it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have a glass cabinet that you're putting together, definitely check out T Forte. I'll put the link below. I hope you all are doing great. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.